Hi, friends. If you weren't able to make it to this week's meeting, the group meetings, I'm going to record the lesson. That way you can watch it. And if you want to watch it again, that is absolutely fine as well. So this week we learn about loud noises and soft noises. Sometimes loud noises can hurt ears, but sometimes it's necessary to talk on a loud voice because we want people to hear us, especially when you're in class and you want to participate. You need to use your loud noise. That way, your teacher and your friends can hear you. Sometimes we do need to use our low voices, okay? It depends where we are. If we are home or if we are in a library, we cannot use our loud voices. We need to use our soft voices. We need to whisper. So I have a really good video that I want to share with you, and I want you to pay really close attention. I want you to tell me who it was making a loud noise and what friend was making a low voice, okay? Hopefully you like this video as much as I do. So much fun.
I like that sound. Quiet and mellow. Where's that coming from? Relaxing. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That was a loud sound. Hey, guys. What's happening? Hey, everybody. I love those sounds you're making. Can you play that again for me, please? Nice. That's pretty. Quiet and low, that's the way to go. Whoa! Okay, I think we need to have a little talk about quiet and loud. You guys are playing quietly, and Baboom, you're playing kind of loud. I'm digging those sounds, but they're not really working together. We've got to get you all playing quietly. Let's make this song sound just right. Baboom, let's try a quieter sound. Sound, Baboom, but that's louder than before. Let's try it a little quieter. 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 Perfect, Baboom. Okay, guys, we're good to go. Let's try this one more time. Come on, Hoot, you too. A 1, 2, 3. Quiet and loud. There's a difference in the sound. If you use your ears, then you can tell what sounds will work together. Quietly now. There's a sweetness to the sound. Make a gentle song and beat. You don't want to be too loud. Oops.
That was a really good video. I liked it. So can you tell me what friend was being loud? That purple one. Good job. And who was talking on, who was singing on a low voice? The yellow friends. Good job. All right, now what I want you to do is go around your house and look for something that is gonna make a loud sound. Go look, maybe on the kitchen. And then when you do, I would like you to post a video of you playing that loud sound. And then after that, you're gonna look around your house and you're gonna see what is gonna make a soft sound, okay? And then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take a picture or a video of you making the sound. That way I know you listen to this recording. remember, if you were already on the class and you already participated because that was one of the activities that we did. But if you were not in the class, then I would like you to submit that video so I can make sure you understand what loud and soft noises are. Okay, I will see you guys next week. Bye.